What is up, guys? So in a couple of minutes we are going to check out the eb5 rack that actually goes for the eb5. Swagtron actually makes it. We're gonna check it out and we're gonna install it. So let's get to doing that right now. All right, y'all, here it is. Yeah, I've got it labeled. Let's just check it out. Got this off of Amazon. You can get it off of the Swagtron site. I believe it's about the same. Okay, so we have the rack. Okay, there it is. And then we have tools. And no instructions, so let's just put that thing together. Folks, it's all done. Let's take a look. So this is it. These are the tools you're gonna need. You really just need the big one is for these top ones right here. That right there. And the smaller Allen key is for the one down here. It does fit nice and snug. Make sure that this part right here, this goes on the inside, not the outside. You need that hammer to kind of bang it into place. But yeah, that's it. Voila, folks. All right. So guys, that is it for this. I want to thank you for stopping by. You do have to wrestle with this a little bit, but other than that, man, it's solid. It's a pretty good piece. So I'm gonna try to, I'll do a video next time about, hauling something. We'll go to the store or something, we'll put something on there. But again, thanks again for stopping by. You guys, everything that you see here, this and all my other equipment will be in the links in the description, and I will see you guys next time.